I'm Sam. We're at the Super Rod stand in the Installer Show 2022. The Super Cam, fully wireless inspection camera for the end of the rod. It works 20 meters away on the end of the rod, and it links to a mobile device or tablet. Take photos, videos. You can send the footage to your customers. It comes in a case like this. It comes with a gooseneck that you can put it on the end of the rods and bend it into whatever angle you get to get behind ceilings and behind walls. It comes with a hook and a flexi, so you can actually see the hook on the video as well and see what you're hooking onto. Change the hook a magnet and use it as a retrieval tool. Screws, screwdrivers, tools, anything down a cavity, you can retrieve it. It's USB charge, 45-minute charge, and it runs about an hour and a half. The main features on there, always up. Even when you're 20 meters away and you need to know which way is up, there's a gyroscope built into it. So if I keep turning the camera, you can see on the video, it just always stays the correct way up as well. So that's a really cool feature. It's also got a non-contact voltage detector built into it as well. Got a 180-degree angle adapter, so you can unscrew that with a screwdriver and rotate it 180 degrees. Comes with a cap as well. And when you put the cap on the back, that makes it fully waterproof and dustproof as well. Comes with adapters to fit all the rods in the UK as well. This is a Super Cam, and it's a game changer really for anyone working and installing cables.
If you want the best deals on hand tools, power tools, and accessories like what you see on this channel delivered to your inbox every single week at 6 p.m. on a Tuesday, hit the link in the description and join Tool Talk for free today.